So we have the shapes that we plan to have. Here are the shapes. This is the base and this is the cover. A cute little gift box. So you can always apply this principle to make any kind of box. Now I'm going to show you another important thing you have to do, because eventually you have to bend this so that this will go upwards, this will go upwards, this will go upwards, this will also go upwards. So for that to go smoothly, because this is a very thick board, it's a straw board, we're going to make little lines here, so that we can bend it for it to form the boxes. All right, so this is what we're going to do. You have to do it very gently so you don't cut through entirely. So this is just a very light press. You see, very light, so you'll be able to bend it like this. Be able to bend it and form your box. I'm going to do the same for the corners of the lines. You see, very light. So I'll do the same, everything. Very light hand. Very light hand. You have to do gently so that you don't go out of alignment, which I nearly did here. You should not be in a hurry. You're just learning. You do it gently, just enough to bend it, but not cut through entirely. If you mistakenly cut through, you just take your paper tape and reattach it, and then next time you won't do it that way. Gently. So we have it all bent. You see, already have it forming. I'm going to put paper tape all around it to hold it. This is also bending and bending and bending. You see how beautiful? Already have a nice formation. It's very nice. Okay.